everyone, it's Miss Goldman, and we are here for our fifth lesson of Eureka Module 6. As always, these are going off of our live lesson, so if you were not there, I'm sorry I missed you. I hope I can see you there tomorrow at 11 o'clock, which is when we do math. And if you are choosing to print these out to do it on paper, that is fine. I have attached the PDF as I always have been. And just make sure you are sending me pictures of your work through Google Classroom, Class Dojo, email. That way you get credit for what you're doing. And as always, if I'm going too fast because of the time limits for these videos, just press pause. So let's get started. So we're going to get started with this problem. As you can see, we're starting at number 2. We can't start at problem 1 because it involves everybody getting different pieces of straw from me and measuring them. So we're just going to skip that problem and go right to 2. So this should look fairly familiar to you because it's fractions. As you see, I have fractions on here with this first problem that I started for us. It says Jenna marks a 5-inch paper strip into equal parts as shown below. Label the whole and half inches on the paper strip. So I just did that for you right up here. We have our halves and our wholes. That's right there. So now what you're going to do is estimate and draw the 1/4 inch marks on the paper strip. So remember 1/4, it would be like right here. And you're going to continue. So you're going to tell me 1 inch is equal to how many half inches? 1 inch is equal to how many quarter inches? Remember, a quarter is this, 1/4. And then 1/2 inch is equal to how many quarter inches? Then you can write it over here. Describe how Jenna could use this paper strip to measure an object that is longer than 5 inches. So take your time to think about how you would solve that, or just tell me what you would do if you were Jenna, or what you would tell Jenna what she should do. So take your time. So here you can see I wrote in red the 1/4, and I wrote 1 inch is equal to 2 half inches, 1 inch is equal to 4 quarter inches, and 1/2 inch is equal to 2 quarter inches. We've also gotten over that from our last Eureka module when we were doing fractions. So that one should have been very easy for you to do. And then, as you see, I wrote over on the side, Jenna can bring the strip over and start at 6 and continue to 10 and keep going. So she can keep using the same strip of paper and just would know after 5 comes 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So let's keep going. Sari says her pencil measures 8/2 inches. Bart disagrees and says it measures 4 inches. Explain to Bart why the two measurements are the same in the space below. Use pictures, words, and numbers. So this you should be able to do like we've done before in our last module. So take your time. All right, and we're going to go over the answers. So here you can see I drew out Bart's measurements and Sari's and highlighted them. And you can see Bart's I did as the 4 inches and Sari's as the 1/2 inches. And we can see they're equal, so I wrote the two measurements are the same because 2 halves equals 1 whole. So 8 halves equals 4 wholes. So that was actually the last problem for this lesson. I hope you were able to do well with this. And I will see you next time. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So as always, stay smart, be safe, go for the gold. Bye.